Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Tony's Technical Corner. Today, we will cover an overview of the PhotonFi Photonic Antenna and review a few key features and components along the way. Now, just for starters, this is not your standard antenna. In fact, would you like to know a secret? Technically speaking, it's actually not an antenna at all. A standard antenna transmits RF signals, while PhotonFi's antennas broadcast and utilize infrared light, or IR, that is just on the invisible spectrum, ultimately giving users an unparalleled wireless experience in all environments. Simply put, our technology does not produce any interference, nor can it be interfered with. Let that settle in while we take a trip around our antenna. On the bottom side, you will notice two stickers listing the PhotonFi SKU and the PhotonFi barcode. Unlike some other system components, this device does not hold a MAC address, as it is purely a passive component. But don't let this fool you. This little puck packs some serious patented punch. But more on that in just a bit. On the rear, you will notice a standard RJ45 style connection. But please note, these are not standard Ethernet connections, and only the PhotonFi provided blue cables should be connected. These 6-meter cables are specially designed to drive and deliver the modulated signal between your PhotonFi photonic antennas and the access points. The antenna can be placed virtually anywhere that you need safe, secure, high-speed wireless data transmission. From utilizing the available recess and surface mounts, which we'll cover in another video, and being tucked away in your ceiling for a vertical application, this device can also mount horizontally to allow you the freedom to deploy in virtually any environment. The photonic antenna emits roughly a 90-degree cone of infrared light. Along with a few variables to consider, most importantly being ceiling height or antenna height, along with distance from the client dongle device, you will notice that under many common applications, each antenna will cover roughly 100 to 120 square feet. Why is the antenna black, you may ask? Well, here's the neat part. Our cutting-edge innovation makes use of patented technology and a specific type of plastic, which is transparent and allows the infrared light to pass through this black plastic shell. But, as we like to say, and to quote the legendary inventor, Mr. Henry Ford himself, on his famous Model T, any color the customer wants, as long as it's black. All fun aside, let's get serious and discuss safety. PhotonFi's equipment is completely safe, with no harmful effects, even with direct eye contact. This equipment has been fully tested and has been fully certified by professional labs. We sincerely hope that you found this information useful, and thank you again for joining us for another edition of Tony's Technical Corner. Please stay tuned for more, and in the meantime, don't forget to check us out on our website, link down below, where you can find a full array of data sheets, tools, and multitudes of other useful information. Thanks again, and until next time, the future begins today.